Good morning, Huyen. Huyen, good morning.
Sure.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so we will have a short review with our past lesson. Okay, the last time we discussed about there is and there are, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when we see there is, it's only one. Like there is a park. Okay, that's only one. Or when we say there is a school, that's only one. And we will say there is and there is. Okay. And we can say it is a pretty house. Okay. So it means, oh, you're cool. You're cool? Really? Okay. So last time we discussed there is, it's only one, right? When teachers say there are, it's
Many.
very good. So it is only one. Okay?
Okay.
Is for only one and are for many. Okay? Okay, Huyen?
Okay.
Okay. This is our lesson last time and we had a review about that. Okay. So you understand this one there is and there are?
Uh,
Okay, you
that.
understand our lesson last time? Last time. Yesterday.
Yes.
Oh, our lesson is there is and there are. Okay, do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so teacher Ann will give you a homework today after the class. Okay, I will let you do there is and there are. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good, Huyen. Okay, now, so we have here our city.
Very
City.
big.
Okay, our city is very big. Okay, there is a museum. Like that. There is a theater.
Um,
How about
there
there?
are many fun friends.
Very good. There are many fun places. Yay! Okay, here. It
Is
a
a
great.
great. Is
It
is
is.
it all and beautiful?
Very good, Huyen. Okay. There is a museum. There is a theater. There are many fun places. It is great place. It is old and beautiful. You understand this, Huyen? You understand? Yay! Very good, Huyen. Okay, we will move now to our lesson. Okay, look at this one. Okay, your answers are all correct. Our city is very big. Oh, can you read it, Huyen?
Yes.
There is.
There there is a museum.
It
It
is.
a great place.
Number 4.
There is a theater.
Very good.
It is all and beautiful.
Okay, number 6.
There are many fun
Places.
plans,
Places.
places.
Very good. You understand?
Yes.
Yay! Aki here. Oh, wait. Now we will move on to our topic, another lesson. Mhm. Okay, look at this, Huyan. In Unit 30, we have here the monsters in the park. So many monsters in the park. Oh my God. Are you scared of monsters?
Yes.
Oh, but look at the monsters. They are very colorful. Can you see them? The color is very nice. Okay. Can you see the monsters? Huyen, can you see the
Yes.
monsters? Their color is very nice. Look at them. Wow. It's very nice. The color is very nice. I like the color.
Very nice.
Yeah, of course. I like the color. Okay, here. Next one here. Okay. Look at this one. Did you know? Did you know? What's this? On. The apple is on the box. What is this? The apple is in the box.
The box.
Next here, the apple is next to or beside the box. This is the box. Okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, look at this
Yes.
one. Where is the apple?
Is on the box.
Very good. Where is the apple for number 2?
This is in a box.
In the box. Again, where is number 3? Where is the apple now?
Is it next to the box?
Very good. Okay. So you have to know that because that's our lesson for today. Okay. Here. Oh, where is the apple now?
Is in front of box.
Very
Box.
good. This one. Where is the apple?
Behind the box.
It's behind the box. How about this one? Where is the apple?
It's the two box.
Oh, very good. It's between the two bags. The apple is between the two bags. Very good, Huyen. Okay, next one here. You look at the next. Okay. Teacher will going to replay. First, the apple is in front of the box. In front. Next, the apple is behind the box. Here. Another is the apple is between the two bags. Between. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, here. Now, where is the apple?
It's under the box.
It's under the box, teacher. How about this?
Towards the box.
It's through the box. Again, through the box.
Through a box.
Yeah. Where are the apples?
It's around the back.
Yeah, it's around the box. The apple is around the box. Very good, Huyen. Okay. Here. Now, look at this one. Oh my God, monsters are here. Okay, look at the pictures. You write sentences about the monsters. Okay, look at the pictures. You write sentences about the monsters. Okay,
Okay.
okay, here. Okay, how many monsters can you see? Can you count? How many monsters can you see?
There are 5.
Yeah, very good. Let's see. There are 5 monsters, teacher. Let us find the 5 monsters. 1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4. And where's the other
4,
one?
5.
Where's the other one? 5. This one. 1,
This is
2, 3, 4,
4,
5. Yeah.
5.
5 monsters in the park. Okay.
4.
Where are these monsters? Where are these monsters? They are in?
They are in park.
They are in the park. Okay, very good, Huyan. Now, look at this one. Oh, what's that? Okay, let us study. Look at the pictures and write sentences about the monsters. Okay. Look at A1. Look at the example, Huyan. Look at the example. A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. We have here numbers. Look at A1. A1, a green. Look at A2. C2. Where's C2 here? C2, green. Next, it's green. B2, what's in B2?
B2,
Yeah, B, wait up, wait.
monster.
B2, monsters. Okay. C1. C1 is
Is
A, what's A5? A5. Behind what? The tree. What is A for? A
the
for the. What is B for? B?
tree.
Tree. Okay. Now, Huyen, do you have papers with you? You have paper? Paper.
Yes.
Okay. Now you answer, lesson teacher. In your paper, okay, in your paper, you answer 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? You answer 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. After you answer, you write it in the paper and tell teacher, teacher, I am done. I'm finished. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you answer now. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You write it in your paper. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go Huyen. You answer. Tell me if you are done. Okay, you tell teacher if you are done answering. Just tell me, Huyen, if you are done, if you are finished.
No.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Just tell teacher, okay?
No.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You answer.
Okay.
Okay, Huyen, let's see your answer. Okay. And Teacher Ann is also having the answers. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is your answer for number 2?
A.
Yes. Continue. You read your answers.
A.
Yeah. Next.
D1 blues.
Okay. Just continue answer. Just continue reading. Like a green monster is behind the tree. What's your sentence? Go, Huyen.
I want
A red. Sorry. A blue monsters. Oh, can you read your sentence?
a blue monster.
Next, a blue monster.
B2 monster.
Yeah, B2 monsters. Next.
C1 is
Okay, very good. Next.
A3 in front of.
Okay, very good. Okay. Next.
A4 the.
Oh, yeah, very good.
C5 flowers.
Okay, flowers. Let's see. Very good. Okay, yay. Okay. Ken, Huyen for a while, for a minute, for a while.
Yes.
Okay, let us see number 3. What's in number 3? What's in number 3?
3
Yes.
A1 A1A.
Okay. Next. C4.
Or red.
Okay, red. Next.
B2
Yes.
monster.
Okay, next.
C1 is
C1 is very good. Next.
A3 in front of.
Yes, very good.
A4 the.
Okay, very good.
B4 tree.
Very good. Yeah. Oh, let's see the answer. Oh, a blue monster is in front of the flowers. Number 3, a red monster is next to the tree. Okay, am I right? Correct?
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Okay, what's number 4? It's B. B.
B3.
B3, what's the answer?
B3.
Okay, B3.
B3.
Okay, B3 is and. Yeah, next. Next is
D4.
D4 is orange. Next.
B2 Monster.
B2, monster. Next,
C1 is.
C1, S. Next, Uyen.
A3 in front of.
In front of. Okay, let's see the answer. Let's see the answer for number 4. Okay, is
Yes.
that your answer? An orange monster is in the water. Is that your answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 5. What's your answer?
A1.
Okay, A1. Next.
D2.
Day 2.
Yellow.
Okay, yellow. Next.
B2. Monster.
Monster. Next.
C1 is.
Next. A5.
D1.
Yeah.
D1 on.
Okay, and next one.
Advisor.
Okay, very good. Yes. Look at that's one. That's your answer.
Yes.
Yay. Okay. Can we read number 1? A green monster is behind the tree. Again, Uyan.
A green monster behind the tree.
Number 2.
A blue monster is in front of the flowers.
Number 3.
A red monster is next to the tree.
Very good. Number 4.
An orange monster is in the water.
Very good. And number 5.
A yellow monster is on the chair.
Oh, yay. You understand this?
Yes.
Yay, very good. Wow, you're very smart now. Yay. Oh, you're smart. Show me your smile. Oh, where's your big sisters? Where's your ate? Your sister? Not with you?
Living room.
In the
Watch
living.
TV.
She's watching TV. Okay. Here, look at this one. Okay, wait, teacher Anne, what happened? Okay. Now, using the green, the blue, the red, the orange, and the yellow pencils to color the monsters, which is here. Oh, look at that one. Okay, here. Let us see. The green monster is behind the tree. Oh, this is the monsters that is behind the tree. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. Can you read it? The blue?
Blue.
The blue monster.
The blue monster. The blue monster
is
in front the flowers.
Okay, the blue monster is in front of the flowers. Very good. Next.
A red monster is next to the tree.
A red monster is next to the tree. Next.
An orange monster is watching. An orange monster is in the water.
Orange monster is in the water. Next. Okay, look at the orange monster. It's in the water. And the red monster is next to the tree. Look at this one.
Orange.
This one. Okay. Where's the blue monster? Is in front of the flowers. Okay, you understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, next. Oh, the yellow monster is on the chair. Look at the yellow monster. It's on the chair. Sitting on the chair. Oh, can you see the yellow monster?
Yes.
Okay. Next one here. Okay, next one. Here. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, now. Okay, you will say yes or no. Yes or no. Yes.
Yes
Number
or
one.
no?
Yeah. Yes or no. Yes or no. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now. Here, Uyen, you can see a green monster behind the tree. You can see the green monsters behind the tree.
Mm, uh,
You can see
yes.
a green monster behind the tree.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Mm,
Yes. A pink monster is having a bath in the water. The pink monster is having a bath on the water.
pink.
Yeah, pink.
Mm,
Okay. A pink monster is having a bath in the water. Yes or no?
no. No. No.
Okay, it's no. Number three. One of the monster is purple. One of the monster is purple.
Papa.
Yeah.
Papa.
One of the monster is a purple. Are you sure it's a purple?
No.
The monster is?
No.
Oh no. Look, no, teacher. There is no purple monster. No purple monster. No.
No.
Yes,
Is that
next. Okay, here. Oh. Okay, look at this one. Listen and write the monster's name. Okay. Listen and write the monster's name. Can you see the orange monsters? His name is Mr. Pink. That's funny, Mr. Pink is in the water. You spell his name pink. Okay, number one. Okay, wait. I cannot see the answers here. Okay, let's have another. Okay. Look at in the monsters hall. Okay, look at in the monsters hall. Look at in the
monster?
yeah. In the monsters hall, can you check on the monsters hall? Look at the monsters hall.
Okay, I saw.
Okay, look at the monsters hall. Okay. Okay. There is a okay. Okay, now where is the box? There is a box.
Is under the bed.
Yeah, there is a
Desk.
box in the monster's hall. And there is a
Chocolate.
chocolate. What's this? There is a
Um,
radio.
radio.
Yeah, and there is a
Clock.
A clock on the monster's hall. And, okay. Okay, here, look at this one. The phone is on in Anna's hand. What's the answer? On or in? This is Anna.
On.
It's on. It's in Anna's hand. In. Okay. In Anna's hand. The table is under on the mirror. The table is under on the mirror. It's, where is the table?
Is under the mirror.
It's under the
Mirror.
mirror. Very good.
The monster is
The monster is between or behind Anna. Where's the monster here?
behind.
Okay, behind. Okay. Behind. Next, the chair is in or between the table and the door. Where's the chair?
In the
Okay, in or between the table and the chair.
between.
Okay, very good. Number 4. The big lamp is under next to the door.
Lamp.
The big lamp is under or next to the door.
Under.
Okay, it's under next to the, look at this one, the big lamp, next to the door. The map is in front of or on the monster, the map.
Mat.
Okay. Next. The big, oh, where is the map? The map is here. It's in front of or on the monster.
Run up.
Okay, it's in front of the monsters. Yeah. Next, the books are behind or next to the lamp. The books are behind or next to the lamp.
Book.
Where's the books here? But these are the books.
To the lamp.
Okay, behind or next to the lamp?
Next to.
Very good. Yay. You understand, Huyen? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So, the phone is in Anna's hand. Next, the table is under the mirror. The monster is between Anna. Behind Anna. Look at this. The chair is between the table and the door. Okay, this is the door and this is the table. The chair is here between. The big lamp is next to the door, the big lamp. The map is in front of the monster, the map. The map is in front of the monster. Next, the books are next to the lamp. Next to the lamp. The books are next to the lamp. Okay?
Okay.
Yay! Very good, Huyen. Perfect today. Yeah, very good. I will give you homework. Okay? I will send the homework in Zalo. You have to make sentences using there is and there are. Okay?
Okay.
Yay! For now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye, Huyen. Goodbye, Huyen. See you on when?
See you on Friday.
Friday? Friday? I forgot.
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Okay, Huyen, I will give you homework about there is and there are. You understand there is and there are? You understand?
Yes.
Yes. Bye-bye, Huyen.
Bye-bye.
Okay.